Hey folks, Johnny Scotto, Third Hand Slots. I'm here with
Third Hand.
We're at the Heartthrob version of the Lightning Cash Machine in the San Manuel Casino. It's the Lotus 8 Palace. $400 in, $25 a spin. So dollar denomination times 25. Third hand, hit the old button and let's see if we can get something to happen. You get 6 of those hearts, we're going to be rocking. 3 of the moons, and the diamonds are wild. There's a little gift for $5. Nothing there. Halfway through the money.
I want 6 hearts.
6 hearts. All right, just another 3-4 tries, and we're going to be done.
$40.
Last 4.
1 free spin.
Oh, last 5. Oh, didn't get it. I was hoping. All right, here we go.
1 free spin.
1 free spin. Thought it would be more for that many diamonds, which are wild, but. All right, folks, last one. Here we go. And nothing. 1 flavor saver. And that'll do it. So there you have it, folks. Give it a try. Some bigger betting, but turned out to be nothing. We'll try something else as always. Thanks for making time. Third Hand Slots. Take care. Hey, folks. Johnny Scotto, Third Hand Slots. I'm here in the Enclave, San Manuel Casino with
Third Hand.
And we're in front of the Dragon Cash Machine. This is the Panda Magic. We got $300 in, $12.50 a spin. We're going to see if we can make ourselves a little success here with some action with these pandas. So there's a Moochie right there. Gonna kick it off. All right, Third Hand, hit the button. Let's see what happens. Three of those lanterns. Oh, it was right at the top there. Poke through. And again, another tease. 3 of the lanterns, 6 of the sunburst. The pandas are wild, so a screen full of those and a bunch of Moochies. Something would be nice. And our first win for $2.50. It's all good. Pandas help one way or the other. Now we get a screen full of them. Some of those numbers to pop up would be nice. Nothing there. And then 3 lanterns. Halfway through the money, and not a doggone thing happening. All right, getting down to the wire. Come on, where are those pandas? Get your buddies. Let's get a big party going. Big panda party. $10.
$10?
It was a small party.
It's less than our bet.
Yeah, that's true. All right, a couple tries more. And here comes the last one, maybe 1.5 last. Nothing. Oh, it's poking from above again. Flavor saver with a winner. And nothing. All right, folks, well, we gave it a try. We'll have to try something else. And as always, thanks for making time. Third Hand Slots. Take care. Hey, folks, Johnny Scotto, Third Hand Slots. I'm here in the Enclave, San Manuel Casino. I'm with
Third Hand.
And we're in front of the Pompeii. Or is it Pompeii 2? What is this Pompeii? 2 ones. Yeah, we got ourselves $200 in there. We're going to do $12.50 a bet, I think. So Third Hand, let's see what happens. We've only played this, I think, once or twice. Hit that one right there. Yes, that's correct. Don't know what we're supposed to get. We will discover it together. Hopefully we'll get anything and find out. It won't just be a wash. Alright, well that one's pretty straightforward. Kits and kings. Don't know what the symbols are to get for any bonuses. But the more similar they are, obviously the better it's going to be. That was $25. Double up our bet. Already down $100.
$10.
Any win is good. And I got some wild maybe. I don't know, the whole thing about Pompeii. You really want to get volcanoes? You might be lucky here, but you know history. Well, whatever we're doing, seems our money's going quick. Alright, last couple tries apparently. Would be nice to get a line of those, I guess.
Alright, that was it.
That was it. Well, folks, we're sitting here stunned. That is the way it goes sometimes. As always, we'll try something else. Thanks for making time. Third Hand Slots. Take care. Hey, folks. Johnny's got the Third Hand Slots. I'm here in the Lotus 8 Palace and the Well Casino with
Me, third hand.
we're at the Heartthrob machine. $260 in, $12.50 a spin. Gotta see if we can get something on land here. Third hand, hit the button, and let's find out.
I haven't seen those any bonus in a while.
Oh, we're gonna find out right now. The diamonds are wild, 6 hearts or 3 moons. Come on now. Diamond, diamond, diamond. Nope. Not enough. Not much is going on here. Screen full of diamonds would be acceptable. One more moon? No. No hearts. We need 6 of them. Last few tries. And here we go down to the line. Last one. And nothing. And a freebie. But will it equal anything? And the answer is no. All right, folks. Well, there you have it. We'll have to go to another machine. Thanks as always for making time. Third Hand Slots. Take care.